Welcome to my Digital Diaries. In this series, Tools Every Coder Must Know, we explore powerful tools that can make your development journey faster and smarter. Today, let's discover Screaming Frog, a tool that helps developers analyze websites, find broken links, identify SEO issues, and improve website performance. Ready to add another useful tool to your developer toolkit? Watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my Digital Diaries for more tech content. Let's start with Screaming Frog. Today we are going to explore Screaming Frog, a powerful SEO spider tool that every developer working on website should know. So what exactly is Screaming Frog? Let's find out. Screaming Frog is a website crawler that works like a search engine bot. Just like a Google crawl website to understand pages and content, Screaming Frog scan your website and discovers important technical details. It helps developers and SEO professionals identify website issues before they impact user experience and search ranking. Think of it as a health scanner for your website. First, let's understand its crawling capability. Screaming Frog scans your website structure and collects information about pages, links, metadata, and technical elements. It helps you understand how search engines sees your website. This makes it easier to find hidden problems and optimize your website architecture. The second important feature is a website health diagnosis. Screaming Frog helps identify critical optimization issues that may affect website performance and organic traffic. Instead of manually checking hundreds of thousands of pages, this tool quickly provides a complete website analysis. Now let's look at the major use cases of Screaming Frog. First is a technical audit. It helps developers to find broken links like 404 errors, redirect chains, and server errors like 500 or 5xx issues. These problems can impact user experience and website crawling, so identifying them early is very important. On-page analysis. Screaming Frog checks important page level elements like page title, meta description, heading structure, content length, and this helps ensure every page is properly optimized and search engine friendly. Another powerful feature is a site crawling. It performs a complete website scan and helps discover orphan pages, duplicate content, and overall website structure. This gives developers a clear picture of the entire website. Search preparation. Before launching a website, Screaming Frog helps with search preparation. It performs crawlability audits, checks indexability rules, and helps improve website structure. This ensures search engines can properly discover and understand your website. Finally, Screaming Frog is extremely useful during the site migration. Whether you are designing a website or moving to a new platform, it helps with a pre-launch audit, redesign verification, and post-migration checks. This reduces the risk of losing important pages or SEO value. So, Screaming Frog is not just an SEO tool, it's a powerful website analysis tool for developers, helping you build healthier and optimize websites. So, this is the website for screamingfrog.co.uk, and you have an option here download. You can download your exe and install it. Once you install, then run it the application. Let me run the application. The application looks like this. Okay, and here is the option where you can scan your website. Let me scan my blog site. So this is my blog site, https my digital diaries english blogspot.com. If I click on start, it will start crawling. As we are using a free version, we have a limit of 500 URL. Okay, so this is the analysis. Still doing. It's still crawling. It's 80% now. Okay, the crawling is done. So if you see here, there are a lot of reports are available, like internally the status is given, external URL, security related things, then response code, each URL status, page titles. For every URL, what is a page title? Then meta description, meta keyword, H1 tag, H2 tag, content, images, canonical URL, pagination, directive, href, lang. All the information is available in this demo. Even the issues are mentioned here, if you can see. So this is very useful tool for SEO analysis. Let's explore the key features that make Screaming Frog a powerful tool for developers. First, let's talk about website crawling. Screaming Frog performs complete diagnostic and crawls by scanning your website structure, pages and URLs. It helps you to understand how your website is organized and identifies potential issues that may affect search engine visibility. Next is broken link detection. Broken links can create a poor user experience and impact SEO performance. Screaming Frog automatically identifies internal and external broken links, including 404 errors, so developers can fix them quickly. Third feature is metadata audit. Every page needs proper title and description. Screaming Frog help analyze page titles, meta descriptions and other important tags to find missing, duplicate or incorrect metadata. This helps improve search engine understanding of your page. Another useful feature is a header tag analysis. It checks your heading structure like H1 and H2 tags. A proper heading hierarchy improves content structures and makes pages easier for both users and search engine to understand. Duplicate content detection. Duplicate content can confuse search engines and impact ranking. Screaming Frog finds similar or identical pages using content analysis, helping developers maintain unique and optimized content. Next important feature is XML Sitemap Analysis. Sitemap helps search engine discover important pages. Screaming Frog verifies URL structures and sitemap configuration to ensure your website is ready for crawling. Another one is a redirect analysis. During website updates or migration, redirects are common. Screaming Frog helps identify redirect chains, loops, and incorrect configuration to maintain a smooth user journey. Images are also important for website performance. With image SEO audit, Screaming Frog checks image attributes, file sizes, and optimization issues. This helps improve page speed and overall website experience. Next is a canonical tag analysis. Canonical tag helps search engine understand the preferred version of a page. Screaming Frog helps canonical configurations and helps to resolve duplicate page issues. And finally, Screaming Frog supports API integration. It can connect with platforms like search and analytics tool to combine crawling data with performance report. This gives developers deeper insight into website health. So these are key features that make Screaming Frog a valuable tool for website developers and SEO professionals. From crawling website to finding hidden issues, it helps you to build faster, cleaner and more optimized digital experience. Have you ever wondered why some websites rank better on Google while others struggles to get visibility? The difference is not always just content. Technical SEO plays a huge role. A website can have a great content, but if search engines cannot properly crawl, index or understand your pages, your ranking can suffer. This is where Screaming Frog helps you. First step is improving crawlability. Search engines needs to discover and crawl your website pages effectively. Screaming Frog analyzes your website and identifies issues like broken links, crawl errors, redirect chains. By fixing these problems, search engines can access more pages easily. The result will be more pages get discovered and indexed. Second step is improving indexability. Crawling page does not always mean it will appear in search result. Screaming Frog helps identify pages that may have indexing issues such as no index pages, blocked pages, or incorrect canonical configurations. By fixing these issues, you create a cleaner path for search engines. This results in better accessibility to your important website pages. Next is improving on-page SEO. Screaming Frog checks important page elements that influence search visibility. It analyzes the title tag length, meta description, H1 and H2 heading structure. This small improvement helps search engines better understand your content, and the result is higher ranking relevance for your target keywords. SEO is not only about search engines, user experience also matters. Screaming Frog helps identify technical problems that impact visitors such as broken visual links, slow image assets, redirect issues. Fixing these problems creates a smoother user experience. The result will be the lower bounce rate and better user engagement. Another important area is the site architecture. A well-structured website helps both users and search engines navigate easily. Screaming Frog analyzes internal linking, crawl depth ratio, website directory structure. This helps improve the flow of authority between pages. The result will be better link structure and stronger important pages. And finally, Screaming Frog helps you to find quick SEO wins. Sometimes small fixes can create a big impact. It identifies opportunities like missing image alt attributes, duplicate elements, isolated pages, 404 errors. These simple improvements can quickly enhance your website performance. The result will be high value SEO improvements with faster results. So now you must have understand Screaming Frog is more than just a crawling tool. It helps developers understand website health, fix technical issues, and create websites that search engines can easily discover and rank. Now in next part, let's try to understand the licensing options available with Screaming Frog. First, let's start with the free version. Screaming Frog provides complimentary access with basic website crawling capabilities. It is perfect for developers, students, and small projects who want to perform quick SEO checks and learn how website crawling works. With the free version, you can crawl up to 500 URLs, detect broken links like 404 errors, analyze page titles and header elements, audit redirection configuration, general functional XML sitemaps. This makes it great starting point for small website learning and initial audits. And believe me, I'm using it so many years, a free version. And it is best suited for the small website learning SEO basic, initial website audits. If you're testing a website or understanding technical SEO, this version provides a strong foundation. Then comes the paid version. This version unlocks advanced technical SEO capabilities with an annual license. It is designed for professionals who need deeper analysis and large-scale website audits. With the paid version, you get more powerful features like unlimited URL crawling, custom XPath extraction, Search Console API integration, advanced reporting. It also supports JavaScript rendering, Google Analytics API integration, scheduled crawls. These features helps teams perform detailed SEO analysis and automate regular website checks. The paid version is ideal for SEO agencies, enterprise websites, e-commerce stores, large-scale websites. When managing complex websites, these advanced capabilities save time and provide deeper insights. So whether you are a beginner exploring SEO or a professional managing large websites, Screaming Frog offers a flexible option for every stage. Start with the free version and upgrade when your SEO requirement grows. Want to discover more powerful tools every coder should know? Follow my Digital Diaries. If you like this video, please click on a like button to share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to my Digital Diaries for more tech content. Thank you.